Growing concern about troubling levels of lead and copper found in the water at 19 Detroit schools. Tonight's 7 Action News reporter Kim Russell shows us there's demand for more action as the district tries to deal with this.
The Detroit Federation of Teachers submitted this letter to school administrators today. It says the Detroit Public Schools needs to do much more to address the elevated levels of lead found in water at some schools. One thing this letter calls for, lead testing for staff and students. We spoke to experts here at Children's Hospital about what parents need to know if they're worried. Detroit Public Schools started doing water testing to make sure kids are safe after other school districts found lead or copper in their water. Now parents are learning. The district found concerning levels of copper or lead in water at now 19 elementary or middle schools. High schools are yet to be tested. One school saw 100 times the allowable limit of lead. That school is Ronald Brown Academy. And the dangerously high lead levels found in water from the drinking fountain. One student at that school says it's frightening.
It'd be a good thing to know that there's not lead in my body.
His mom says she has had him tested before and will again if his doctor recommends it. Dr. Kanta Bambani, a pediatrician and director of Children's Hospital's lead clinic, says kids are less likely to absorb dangerous amounts of lead from water than from paint chips, old houses, or even soil. Still, parents at impacted schools may want to have their kids tested, especially if they drank the water at the school while 6 years old or younger.
If they do ingest a large amount of lead, they absorb more than 50% of the lead that's ingested as compared to an older child who would be absorbing only 5%.
Children's Hospital says if money is an issue, parents can get free help at the hospital's Gateway to Health clinic. Detroit Public Schools says it is working with the city's health department to come up with a response plan to make sure kids and staff are cared for and water is safe.
Whatever needs to be done to ensure the safety of our students and staff, the district is responsible for making sure that that happens.
In Detroit, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.